Okay, my name is Mr. Evans. This is going to be my welcome video for the 23-24 school year. I wanted to make this video in case any parents missed back to school night and just want to learn a little bit about the course, and you can listen to it in your car right now on YouTube if you want to. My name is Mr. Evans. This is my 21st year teaching overall, all 21 years in Prince William County. This is my 5th year at Patriot. I've taught pre-calculus AB a number of years, so pretty used to the curriculum. Basically, the course is about 70% no calculator, 30% calculator. I'll talk about calculators in a second. The course is about 45%, maybe 50% pre-calculus or algebra-based, pre-calculus-based concepts. And the last 50% is trig, which is new for kids. Some kids get a little bit of it in advanced algebra 2. Some have not received that as much. Mostly kids that from this course will go on to either AB calculus or they'll go on to AP stats. All right. Like I said, I'm a very straightforward teacher. You know, what you see is what you get. My goal is to help kids work through the math, but also teach them how to think through the math. So let me get on the big 4 things that usually are what parents are asking for. Grades, 90% summative, 10% formative. The way the formatives work is sort of the homework per se. At the beginning of every unit, I give out a formative packet. That packet has all the work that the students should do. It could be anywhere from 25 to 50 questions. That packet is due the day of the review for students to get full credit, and they need to do that in order to get the retake. That helps them prepare for the summatives. Okay, then we'll go over that formative in class together, and then the next class they'll have their summative. Okay, and that will make up 90% of their grade. Retakes, they get 6 per year. This isn't an advanced course. It's preparing them to get into the AP track. So they get 6 retakes per year. So we recommend they use them wisely. In order to do that, they need to do the formative needs to be done, and they need to do summative corrections. So if they're retaking a summative, they got to come in during flex, do the corrections, and show them to me prior to getting a retake. Like I said, about 70% of this course is no calculator. So if you do get a calculator, you can get a Casio if you don't have one, okay, like something like this, okay, or you can use a TI. Either one is fine. Like I said, not a ton of work comes out of the calculator. Sometimes we will give the kids little 4-function calculators, okay, if we find that there's a lot of computation. All right, but a lot of the stuff we do is conceptual, okay. Canvas. Canvas is a great tool in our class to get notes, to get video lessons if you need extra help, or if you need video lessons from being absent. So let me show you a little bit about Canvas, what they have on here. So in everything, you have our UPS flow. Our UPS flow document talks about what the students are needing to know for that unit. Okay, and then we have these video lessons. So on certain days, you click that, okay, and it's me doing the video lesson of what the topics that we're going to pretty much cover in class. This is not a flipped classroom, so I'm not expecting students to go home and watch these videos. This is if you need extra help and if you missed, okay? Now, the other thing that's there is that if you click below that, you can get the notes, okay? All right, so it's got the notes from the video lesson, so you can have those in case you need the notes from there, all right? Last thing that's available on Canvas as a resource for you is we put our formative down there, okay? And that's for you in case you leave yours at home or lose it or something of that nature, but that's there for you. Those resources are there to help you if you need extra help doing retakes, or you missed lessons, or you're just confused and you need to catch up. Those are there for you. I'm looking forward to a great school year. My students in pre-calculus traditionally do very, very well. I'm a very straightforward teacher. Kids have a lot of success. Like I said, the big thing that I would say that I recommend for you is just to stay on top of the notes, on top of the formatives, and make sure you do the preparation. If you do that, you're going to have a great school year. If you have, parents, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. Don't hesitate to call or email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So looking forward to a great school year, and I will see you guys at back to school night.